So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it. This will now reset the Microsoft Store cache. We can now close out this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in cmd. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.